Hi everyone, and welcome back to Car Project Central. This is episode 7 of our mini project. Today we're going to be fixing the seatbelt warning light and hopefully also the airbag light as well. And we think the problem is just due to a seatbelt buckle being broken at the back. So I bought a replacement on eBay. It's a second-hand one, but it should work pretty well. The cable and everything, it's all attached. So we're going to have a go and try and fix that. Okay, so with the seats, what you do is you just got to pull up on this bottom section, and there's a few little clamps in there. There's no tools required, and then you just put it up and out. So that was really easy, which is good. Oh look, they've got some interesting bits and pieces from the previous owners. Looks like there's a soy sauce bottle. That's probably no good anymore. And they've got a few bottle caps, which fits the profile because we did actually find 3 cans of beer at the back of this car. Unfortunately they were not very good beer, so we didn't actually drink it, we just threw it away. Okay, so it's really easy to undo these cables that are going to the seatbelt buckle. You just got to pull it out really hard, and then you've got your seatbelt buckle detached. Okay, there's a T50 Torx bolt right at the back of the seatbelt buckle, so that's what you'll need to undo. I'll show you what it looks like in the new seatbelt buckle that we've got. So it just looks like that. Right at the back, you just gotta lift up this flap and undo the bolt. Okay, so we've taken the old seatbelt buckles out, and this is the new one. Before we actually bolt it in, we just want to make sure that it's working and clears our seatbelt error light. So we're just going to plug it in and turn the car on and see what happens. Awesome, so that's our back seat put back in, and we've also put the Isofix mounting brackets in as well. Yep, so it's super cheap. We're getting the seatbelt and the airbag light reset and see how that goes. That's pretty cool. Show them the lights there as well. Sweet. The battery was changed recently. Yeah. Apparently it's a common problem with minis where they just throw all these different warning lights if you change the battery. No more seatbelt or airbag light. Woohoo!